Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a drone tour of Richmond Estate. Now this is the number one development in Jamaica. Other developments have copied this layout and style, and areas in Draxall have come very close, but none can top Richmond Estate as the number one development in Jamaica. Some even say it's the number one development in the Caribbean. Well laid out, very nicely designed. Now this video is made after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. And as you can see, this development didn't have any damage from what we can see. The trees are still up, the roofs are still in place, and this development, I guess, did very well against the hurricane winds. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Richmond Estate in St. Ann is one of Jamaica's most modern and well-planned residential communities. Located along the north coast between St. Ann's Bay and Priory, the development is known for its peaceful environment, clean design, and easy access to Ocho Rios. It has quickly become a popular choice for families, professionals, and returning residents. The community was built with comfort and convenience in mind. Richmond Estate features a gated entrance, landscape surroundings, and a wide range of amenities, including a clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, and children's play areas. The Richmond Town Centre adds even more value by offering essential services such as a supermarket, pharmacy, restaurants, and shops, all within walking distance for residents. Its location is one of its strongest advantages. Richmond Estate is close to major attractions like Duns River Falls, Chucka Adventure Parks, and the beaches at Priory and Miami Bay. Residents can enjoy the benefits of living near Ocho Rios while still enjoying a calm and relaxing home environment. Today, Richmond Estate is seen as a leading example of modern community development in Jamaica. With its organized layout, strong infrastructure, and focus on lifestyle, it continues to shape the growth of St. Ann's North Coast and attract people seeking a comfortable and secure place to live. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So enjoy the rest of the tour and let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.